How to turn off device restrictions on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Now, turn off the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature at the top. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off device restrictions on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.